What's up, y'all? Got a dead cluster here. I'm gonna walk you through the steps I took to replace it. So, it's just gonna be a whole lot of ripping panels off. So, all this cosmetic, fake wood grain looking stuff's got to come off first, and I don't know. They must think these things are just gonna fall off while you're driving or something. They got them held in here with freaking clips. And there's just one on top of the other. Once we get a couple of them off, just a couple screws. Probably not necessary. Forgot one. There we go. Alright, now we got them out. Some more freaking clips, man. This one here. Or sometimes I feel like you're just gonna rip this stuff apart. Alright, now we have a connector that is 180 degrees away from where it should be. And here we go. A couple panels with some plastic clips. Now if we can have some of them right there, why can't they be the rest of this stuff? Doesn't make any sense. I guess those are two panels that the customer could possibly pull off. But got those off. Got the switch bezel and some more clips. Your whole dash is just held together with these dang clips. Got a couple complicated connectors for no reason. Take two hands and a tool. This little connector, what they call them, CPAs. I don't ever put them back on. They're supposed to be there to prevent the connector from disconnecting by itself, but good God, you can barely do it when you want to take it apart. So I'm gonna let this little bezel here hang. So we had to take all that apart just to get to this one screw right here. So there we go. Almost, there we go. Got that one out. Got a couple on this side. Nope, one more switch panel. Forgot about that. Couple more clips. Little one of them clips stay stuck in there. Do that too, and then they're about destroyed once you finally get it out. Alright, now I gotta take the column cover off. And then this bezel around the actual cluster. So you can separate the column cover from this bezel, but I usually just leave them together and take it out together as one. So get this out the way, and once we got that out of the way, we can actually start taking the cluster itself out. And it's just 4 screws left for that. So as you can see, we had backlight on this cluster, but there wasn't any actual image displayed, so you had nothing. It was just blank screen basically. So that's why I'm replacing it for. So off camera, I programmed this thing. It's a 3-step process, and it took literally 2 hours to complete. That's just straight up 2 hours of data transfer. So here's the old one out. There's the new one back in before I put everything back together. Just gonna check and make sure it works, and there you go. Got a cluster again.